Hey guys, Jasur is here from Shanghai Silk Road International Trading Company. In this video, I'd like to answer how to start a barbershop in China in 2019. Just like I mentioned in other videos, it's possible for foreigners to start a barbershop in China. And yeah, it's kind of a very interesting business sphere, especially among students, foreign students. They want to have their own styles, especially for African students. I see it really frequently here. That's why I'm saying this type of business especially is famous among students who come from, especially from African countries. And I get this question a lot. That's why I'm talking about this today. And it's not to generalize, please understand me right. I'm talking about business here. People just ask me these questions. So, how to start a barbershop in China being a foreigner? Just like any type of business, you start by registering your company. Okay, if you don't have a local partner, you can register a WFOE company, which is a limited liability company, which stands for wholly foreign owned enterprise, 100% owned by foreign citizens. Okay, this is especially good because if you're outside China, or if you don't have, even if inside China, if you don't have a reliable Chinese partner, that is a good type of company structure. Basically, you can start that, you register this kind of company, and then once you have your general business license, you can get additional license for barbershop. Okay, and that's possible. All right, in every city, basically, procedures more or less the same. Okay. And in our company, I always mention that I can help you with registering all types of companies, especially in Shanghai, because basically we work with local lawyers here. But of course, if you insist on registering in different cities of China, I can help you with that as well. So for barbershop, what kind of additional license is required? That license is called hygienic permit for public places. Okay, and that includes beauty and hair salon and food massage. Okay, you can easily apply that after you've obtained your general business license, for your company, and the time is around 2 months. Okay, starting with your general business license and getting this hygienic permit for public places. So approximately 2 months, but of course we can do it faster than that. But generally speaking, that's 2 months. Okay, not including the time spent for your visa. Okay, if you want to get information on work visa and how many and how to apply, you can watch our related videos. Okay, for barbershop, you will need your general business license and additional license for barbershop. But just like any other type of company or different types of WFOEs, of course you will need a physical office. Okay, not including your space for your barbershop, basically hair salon. Okay, so that is when you apply for your general business license, when you make your application for WFOE, you will need a physical office. Okay, please pay attention to that. As I mentioned before, we have a building in Songjiang, Shanghai, so we can help you with the office space. Okay, you can rent an office space from us, and that is quite cheap actually. I'd say the cheapest price in China, and use that space and apply for your business license. Get your business license. We will do it for you, and then after you've obtained your general business license, you can apply for this additional license for your barbershop, which is, as I mentioned, hygienic permit for public places. Okay, beauty and hair salon and foot massage. And after that, you can get your space for your barbershop. Okay, be it inside the university or in the city center, anywhere basically. You can just, depending on your budget, you can start renting and start your business. Okay, that's the case. If you have any questions, if you want to register a company in China, start a business in China, please contact us. And we have the most affordable prices. I can guarantee you that. You can do your own research. Our services include visa support, office, and accounting. Okay, in China. So if you have any questions, please download WeChat and scan these QR codes. First one is individual account. Second one is our official page on WeChat. And you can follow our official page just to stay up to date with the laws and requirements, policies in China, business policies. And of course, feel free to send us an email and call us. Okay, so that's it about barbershop in China. See you guys next time.